All right, it's Friday, time for a weekly update. Let's check it out. Got the driveway. Let's go to the front door. Got a sidewalk now. Oh, what? Look at that. I did not expect to see this today. So we got the granite countertop. Oh no, quartz countertop in.
They took the door out because it wasn't the right door.
They leave us the other door, or they said, nah, bro, you getting a regular door.
They took it out. They replaced it with the right door.
Oh. See, you should have asked them, babe.
It's alright, but they're not. They have to do it by the book. Oh, that's all the towel, but I'll take pictures. This your bathroom towel.
Oh, yeah, for the shower.
Uh-huh.
Be careful, baby. Bathroom or...
Kind of dark, huh? We got light gray, dark gray. Just the
kitchen,
kitchen.
backsplash. Here, you forgot your tape measure.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Oh, here's the door.
Oh, the glass door. Did we get big towels with it?
Yeah, for the shower.
I thought we picked the white one.
Yeah, you did. What is that one?
No, like the outside. It's supposed to be the floor. Right?
Oh, no, we didn't pick that size.
Yeah.
Where did you... I don't know. I can't remember now. I don't remember...
I mean, we didn't pick that size. We picked the white.
Yeah. Oh, look, our granite. Got the granite in the office in the planning center. Could I use this as my office?
Yes, you can.
It's just kind of small, you know.
It's not soft bullshit.
No, we didn't get soft close.
Oh, not in here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We didn't upgrade the office because I think. Remember, I said I was thinking about ripping it out.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Okay, they changed this door. It was at one point a glass door, but this is the door we're supposed to have. Let's see. Walls are painted, trim. Oh, baby, did you notice they did the final coat? I think, because before, you remember, they had the white, they had the spots
It's
on
a
the
little
walls.
string here. Look like they need to repaint that.
Yeah, it's all.
They'll touch
I'm
it.
sure they're gonna fix it.
Yeah.
Looks like they sprayed it.
Mm-hmm.
But no, you remember they had the the touch-up spots on the walls, the putty
Oh,
or
yeah,
whatever.
yeah.
Yeah. Got the drop zone.
Let me take a picture.
Okay. But yeah. I mean, I don't feel like this this granite's too bad. I don't mind it. Oh, this one's a little splotchy. It's looking like a house.
Looking like a house.
Let's see if this is soft close. Oh, am I in your way?
I'm gonna get a picture from him, like a straight angle.
Got trim all the way around. You want to measure from the floor?
Up here. No, like how big,
Oh,
how long.
okay.
So
Why don't you take a picture of it so you can remember it? I mean, so you don't have to remember it.
And then let's do the line,
Okay.
and then counter to the ceiling of this. Can you reach?
No, well, what I'm saying is we know the ceiling's 9 feet, right? So you measure from here to the floor and then you just subtract it. Flip it around.
It's 36.
Okay.
What's that number?
36 inches? 3 feet?
3 feet, so it's 6 foot, right?
Yes.
Let me write it down.
So they got all the cabinet doors on. They got the pulls. Nice. Soft close cabinets. Looking like a house. Oh, they got the pantry shelves in. I didn't even notice that before.
Let's go upstairs, see what they got.
All right. I didn't even look around in the front yet. Just straight in to the kitchen. Got excited when you told me the countertops were in.
Our neighbor. Taking the dog out for a ride.
That's cool.
I like it, right?
It looks good. It actually looks bigger than I thought. I thought the Cooper, the Dan Ryan Cooper, was way bigger. Oh, what happened here? Hope they fix that. I think somebody spilled something, but I'm gonna leave it.
Is it a spill?
Don't. I just.
Take a picture.
Yeah. I wouldn't mess with it though.
Yeah, it's like a coffee spill.
Yeah. Just. I'm sure they'll take care of it because it's gonna stain the wood. I think. Let's see how these look. Oh. Nice, nice. I'm not gonna mess with that. Oh, did this get knocked off? I think it did. I don't know. Hopefully. What do you think about the countertops though? Is this what you expected?
Yeah, it's not too bad. I thought it's gonna be
More checkered? Yeah, I did too.
I was like, oh man, I feel like it might be too busy.
Yeah, when I saw it, just that corner, I actually thought it was going to be less veins than this, actually.
Yeah.
So.
I like the color, like without a lot of the vein, you know.
Yeah, the veins kind of.
Yeah, without the vein, I like it more, but it's not bad. It don't bother me.
I don't mind the veins. I just thought it would be less.
Yeah, me too.
But it's okay. It's all right. Oh, they got the. Wait, the floor trim was already on last time, right? Okay. You want to go up? Look at all these windows. Looking good, looking good. Oh, what the frizzle frazzle? All right, I guess that's a good place to leave a blade. Why would they do that?
What? Leave a blade on the wall?
Yeah, because you're kind of cutting into the wall. All right. Oh, got a little bit of damage. Well, somebody's handprints, not mine. Oh, wait, this was wrapped up last time, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
it was.
Looks good.
I haven't got a picture.
Let me get out your way. Let me check in the laundry room before we make our way into the bedrooms. Let's check the pressure. Still got pressure. Good signs. All right. Let's go into
The kids out there.
this is gonna be Lena's. Just a standard size closet. Gonna have to figure out how to use this space up here. Drop down shelf, pull down shelf. All right, Adelie's room. Right. Got the double vanity in with the, let's see, what was this called? The Luna Pearl. Luna Pearl granite. Oh, a little damage. The trim in. Oh, that looks a little funky, doesn't it? Huh.
What? Connection.
Yeah. I thought they would do like a, I don't know, like an angle cut or something. I don't know. I'm not a craftsman.
They're fixing their yard up too.
It's all coming together. Whole neighborhood. Have some more damage. All right, got this countertop in, or not countertop, wait, is this a countertop?
Where?
What's this called in the bathroom?
Luna?
No, is it
Granite.
a countertop?
Yeah.
All right, I thought it was called something else. Double vanity. Oh, where's the craft? All right, looks like they're prepping the walls for tile. Got our seat in. Same thing here, the Luna Pearl granite. It's gonna be the floor plan of, the shower pan tile, the shower floor. Got a gray 2x2. Wait, where does that long tile go? I can't. I thought we got. Is it in this bathroom?
Maybe.
Okay. I can't remember what we did with what we picked. I thought we picked the standard one. I don't either. It's been too long. Got a crack on the door.
Yeah, that's the crack.
No, I'm talking about here, baby. You heard me? I'm talking about over here. It's a different crack.
What?
Right here. A
This door
split.
don't
Yeah.
fit. Yeah,
Little, I guess, I don't even know what this area is called. Kind of a dead zone? No. The doorway, the hallway to the door, I have no idea. All right. This is probably gonna be my closet. It's coming together.